Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to turn off the Smartwatch D20. We are going to start by pressing the center button of the watch to open the options menu. Then you will click on that same button several times until you reach the More section. Hold down the center button to enter this option. Here again, we are going to press with touches on the central button to move between options. We will stop at the screen where information about the smartwatch appears. Here we will keep the central button pressed for a few seconds to turn off our smartwatch. You will see that the screen turns off. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.